Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to drawing. Today we've got another suggestion for an alligator. Alligator. So I'm going to start off with the front because I understand how the front works. They kind of like that, and then they go zoom. They got the big nose, and they go and they got all that scary teeth. Yeah, just like that, scary teeth. And then they go Then they have eyes. That's his big eye. And then he goes and there's his tail over there. And then he's got his legs. Yeah. Pretty simple stuff, if I'm completely honest. I'll give him 4 legs. I'm feeling generous. And then I'll give him his little tummy. Alright, well, thanks very much for watching. Always look out for crocodiles because they are dangerous creatures and they can cause some serious harm.